Hi, have you had a stressful week and want to relax a little bit? Well, in this video I'm going to show you some amazing Colorado scenery, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm David with Nomadic RV Living, and I was in central Colorado and traveling northeast on Highway 285 out of Buena Vista, Colorado, and some amazing scenery I want to share with you in this video. So a couple of things I want to point out. One is I'm not speeding in this video. I just sped up the camera so it won't be a long video. The second thing I want to share with you is that I am not familiar with Colorado, but I do want to learn more about it and explore Colorado. So if you have some ideas, some places I should see, some kind of unique areas of Colorado, please put those in the comment section below. The other thing I want to mention is this dash cam is amazing. I have a link to it below. I've done some research on it, and this is a great one. Just for your own safety, not just for capturing great sceneries like this one, but just dealing with idiot drivers out there so that you will be protected in case there's an accident. So enjoy the video. It's not very long, and thanks for watching.